Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a Wonder Woman look and let's just get into it. So I'm going to start off by using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Moisturizer all over my face. This is new to me, but it's actually quite nice. It's a really thin formula and it just hydrates really nicely. Once the skin is prepped, I'm going to go in with a primer. This is the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Blurring Primer. You know the drill, I just like to use this before my foundation, just to give my skin a little bit of smoothness. To give my skin a little bit more radiance, I'm going to go in with the Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in 03 for underneath my foundation. Once my skin is looking nice and hydrated and glowy, I'm going to go in with foundation, and I'm using the Shiseido SYNCHRO Skin in 340 Oak, which is just a great match for my skin, honestly, and I can highlight and contour as I like with this shade. Just blending that all in with the Beauty Blender. You can use a brush as well, but I'm just going to use a Beauty Blender. It's the easiest way for me. And once all of that is blended in, I'm going to go in with concealer, and we're going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the Neutralizer shade, which is a nice yellowy light shade, which is perfect for adding dimension. Now I want to set parts of my face, such as the under eye and around the nose, so I'm going to take my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder, just mostly underneath the eyes to make sure that there isn't any creasing. To prime the eyes, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Matte and Metal in Bamboo Hoops, and I'm just using the nude matte shade all over my lids to act as a primer and just to cancel out any discoloration. Moving on to brows, I'm going to just fill in my brows really quickly, brush them up, brush them down, fill them in, and then we can continue with the eyes. To start off with the eyes, we're going to start off super simple because it will get actually quite complicated. So I'm just going to go in with some transitional crease colors to start off, some mid-tone browns, some cool tone browns, and just create a little bit of dimension for the upcoming liner look that we have to do. Since my reference photo is the one I showed you at the beginning of the Wonder Woman photo, I'm just trying to copy those exact placement of shadow, so I'm going to place that shadow underneath my eye and wherever else I see that she has placed any dark shadows. So I'm just going to keep blending, and then I'm going to go in with this Huda Beauty Faux Fur, I think it is, Bamboo Hoops and Faux Fur liquid metal all over my lid. And I'm going to attempt to create a cut crease, a faux cut crease with this product. It's actually quite easy with this product because of the brush. And because I want my lids to look super gold, I'm going in with the Marc Jacobs Sequins Glitter in Shimmy Dip. And it's just a beautiful pure gold glitter. So this is where it gets a little bit complicated. I'm going to take this white eyeliner by Urban Decay and I'm going to create a new inner corner crease area, and this will make the eyes look larger because we want our eyes to look super animated like a comic book. This is going to make the eyes look larger and a little bit more animated. And now just taking this nude eyeliner by Kat Von D Beauty, and just to make the eyes look larger again. Now going in with the BALM SCHWING liner. This is such an easy eyeliner to use because it is a liquid liner, but I just find that from all the liquid liners I've tried, this one is so easy to use and it's matte. So it made this part a little bit easier. I mean, it wasn't easy, but it was a little bit easier. So I'm just gonna stamp this on and create a wing as I normally would, but then I'm going to go in and create a second wing on top as a cut crease wing, and then just make it super large and animated. Okay, this is the part where I kind of had to hold my breath for a long time because it just takes so much precision and so much focus. Just gonna slowly, very slowly place that liner there. And it's a little bit messy at first because obviously it's not going to be super sleek to begin with. You have to clean up afterwards using other products. But once you're happy with the shape, you can kind of go in with this with a gel liner. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm going in with an Inglot AMC Gel Liner, which is a super easy gel liner to use. And I'm just intensifying that line and making it a little cleaner. So now I'm just going in with that same sequins glitter by Marc Jacobs, and I'm cleaning up that line and making it as sharp as possible, which is quite easy to do when you have a liquid shadow. Once I'm done repeating those steps on the other eye, I'm going to go back in with the Inglot Gel Liner and place that underneath as well to give a more exaggerated eye. For mascara, since I am going to be putting on lashes, I'm just using the Benefit Bad Gal Bang because it nicely separates and lengthens my lashes. Now for lashes, there we go. Okay, for contour, I'm going to use the Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand in Light to give my face a little more dimension, as I assume Wonder Woman would have. To add a little flush to the cheeks, I'm going to use the Tilbury Cheek to Chic in Pillow Talk. And for highlight, I'm going in with the Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight. I mean, Wonder Woman should glow, I think. So I'm just packing on that glow. To intensify that highlight, I'm going in with the DIOR Backstage Glow Face Palette in 002 Glitz, using the shiniest of the palette and just placing that on my cheekbones. And now for the lips, I'm just going to go in with this red lip liner by Makeup Forever. Not a very necessary step, I just like to start off with a lip liner. When I think of a Wonder Woman red, this is the one that came to my mind because it's just such a true red. It's not too cool toned or warm toned, it's just perfect. So of course I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Lip Stunna in Uncensored. Now for the fun part, we're going to add our pop art elements, and so first I'm going to use this Smashbbox Fishnet eyeliner, which is a super intense black. And I'm just going to outline my lips with this black, and then I'm going to shade it a little bit. To add that very intense pop art feature, we're going to go in with this white eyeliner and create these highlight specks, where, you know, in pop art sometimes you have these intense white spots to signify highlights or light. So that's what we want. We want this comic book element in our face. So now we're going to take that same black liner and we're going to exaggerate the parts of our face that would naturally hit a shadow or a crease. So right over here on top of the chin, underneath the nose where you would naturally get a shadow, Cupid's bow, around the eyes where you would naturally hit a shadow, just anywhere you would naturally hit a shadow. And then we're going to create the Wonder Woman band on top. And you can make this as thick or thin as you like. Since my forehead is so small already, I just wanted to make it a bit small. And we want to add back those highlights, so we're going to take that white and just place those highlights right next to wherever we placed a shadow to exaggerate both And then we're going to add this super sharp black line underneath the cheekbones, which I think is the piece de resistance of the comic book element. Now I'm going in with that same gold glitter shadow and just filling in that band because we want the band to be super gold as you can make it. I did a few layers of this as well. So I felt a blue element was missing, so I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Liner Duo in Super Blue and just packed that on to the top line above the crease. Because I think Wonder Woman has some blue as well, so I wanted to add that. And you can't forget the star, so I'm going to use that same liquid lipstick by Fenty and a lip brush, and I'm just going to create a star on the band. And that's the finished look, you guys, a pop art Wonder Woman look for Halloween. I think it was actually quite simple to do, really easy to recreate. So if you try it, then do let me know, I'd love to see. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, I sure did. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!